reviews best motorcycles KTM 890 Adventure R. Good evening, and welcome to our show. Tonight, we're diving into the world of adventure motorcycles, and we have a real gem to showcase, the KTM 890 Adventure R. This versatile machine has been making waves in the motorcycle community, and we're here to break down why. Background and description. The KTM 890 Adventure R is a powerful and capable adventure motorcycle designed to handle both on-road and off-road riding. It's powered by a 889 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine that delivers a smooth and torquey performance, perfect for highway cruising and challenging trails. Key features and benefits. One of the standout features of the 890 Adventure R is its versatility. It's equally at home on the highway as it is on dirt roads, thanks to its comfortable riding position, long travel suspension, and off-road oriented tires. In terms of performance, the 890 Adventure R offers a thrilling riding experience. Its engine delivers a punchy performance, making it easy to accelerate quickly and overtake other vehicles. The bike's handling is sharp and precise, thanks to its well-tuned suspension and balanced chassis. Design and aesthetics. The 890 Adventure R has a rugged and adventurous design that is both stylish and functional. Its tall stance, large fuel tank, and knobby tires give it a tough and capable look. Target audience and relevance. The 890 Adventure R is ideal for riders who are looking for a versatile and capable adventure motorcycle. Its off-road capabilities make it a great choice for those who enjoy exploring dirt trails and gravel roads. Its comfortable riding position and long range also make it suitable for touring and long-distance commuting. Conclusion. The KTM 890 Adventure R is a well-rounded adventure motorcycle that offers a great combination of performance, comfort, and versatility. Its off-road capabilities, comfortable ride, and powerful engine make it a perfect choice for riders who want to explore both on-road and off-road destinations. So, if you're looking for a versatile and capable adventure motorcycle, the 890 Adventure R is definitely worth considering.